Let's solve this problem from the 20th Philippine Math Olympiad area stage. Two semicircles, each with radius square root of 2, are tangent to each other as shown in the figure below. If line AB is parallel to line CD, determine the length of segment AD. Okay, so I'm going to present a trigonometric approach to solve this problem. To begin, let us connect the centers of the semicircles. Let us also construct a radius of semicircle CD that is perpendicular to line AB at the point of tangency. So now we have a right triangle. Since the radius of each semicircle is square root of 2, the hypotenuse of this right triangle must be square root of 2 plus square root of 2, or 2 square root of 2, and the altitude is square root of 2. Now let's call this angle alpha. Based on these pieces of information, we can find the sine of alpha. The sine of alpha is equal to square root of 2 divided by 2 square root of 2, which simplifies to 1/2. Now, sine alpha equals 1/2 implies that alpha is equal to 30 degrees. And so this angle must be equal to 180 degrees minus 30 degrees, which is 150 degrees. Now let's connect points A and D. Focus on this triangle. Since two sides of this triangle are radii of semicircle AB, this triangle must be isosceles, and so the other two angles of this triangle must measure 15 degrees each. Now let's construct a perpendicular from point A to line CD. This segment is also perpendicular to line AB, since lines AB and CD are parallel. So this angle must be equal to 90 degrees minus 15 degrees, which is 75 degrees. Now focus on this triangle. The height of this triangle is equal to the radius of each semicircle, so the height is square root of 2. Now we can form an equation involving the cosine of 75 degrees, the hypotenuse AD, and the height square root of 2. In particular, we have the equation cosine 75 degrees is equal to square root of 2 divided by AD. Now let's solve for AD. AD is equal to square root of 2 divided by the cosine of 75 degrees. To solve for the value of cosine 75 degrees, let us use the identity cosine of x plus y equals cosine x times cosine y minus sine x times sine y. Applying this identity, we can write 75 degrees as the sum of 30 degrees and 45 degrees. So cosine 75 degrees is equal to cosine of 30 degrees plus 45 degrees. Applying the identity to the right-hand side, we have that cosine 75 degrees is equal to cosine 30 degrees times cosine 45 degrees minus sine 30 degrees times sine 45 degrees. Now we know that cosine 30 degrees is square root of 3 over 2, cosine 45 degrees is square root of 2 over 2, sine 30 degrees is 1/2, and sine 45 degrees is square root of 2 over 2. Simplifying this expression, we get cosine 75 degrees equals square root of 6 minus square root of 2 all divided by 4. Now let us substitute this value to the equation AD equals square root of 2 divided by cosine 75 degrees. So we have AD equals square root of 2 divided by square root of 6 minus square root of 2 divided by 4. So AD is equal to 4 square root of 2 divided by square root of 6 minus square root of 2. Let us rationalize the denominator by multiplying the fraction by square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by square root of 6 plus square root of 2. Multiplying the numerators and multiplying the denominators, we get 4 square root of 12 plus 4 square root of 4 divided by 6 minus 2. This is equal to 8 square root of 3 plus 8 all divided by 4. Dividing by 4, we get the final answer AD equals 2 square root of 3 plus 2.